Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fab's in the house and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm in the house with the Clark Custom Knives Zulu. Here with me for a quick review, but hey, don't forget to like the video and to subscribe and to leave a comment and to share, interact with this video if you feel so. It's gonna be fantastic. So let's go ahead and check this guy out. This guy comes with this nicely done custom leather sheath, and you can see it has just like the shape perfectly, like nicely done, guys. Really not too snug, not too loose. It's pretty cool. Got the logo right here on this side, nice stitching, pretty cool. And of course you've got this little fella. It comes with the certificate of authenticity. You can check it out right here, website and email if you want to contact the maker. And yeah, you got this little front flipper knife right here. Look at that. Let's quickly check the overall size on this fella. It's like 6.6 inches overall with a 2.75 inch long cutting edge. The handle is going to be like 3.75 inches, so it's a tiny one. It's a gentleman's knife. It's a nice carry. It has it's called the Zulu. It's a liner lock, of course. It's look at that, nice, pretty cool lines over here, nice and clean. This is a nice front flipper. It has satin titanium liners right over here. The blade is Z-Finit, and actually you can see it like even engraved on the inside. And basically, Z-Finit is LC200N, which is a pretty cool steel. It's some nice attributes. It's pretty highly corrosion resistant, similar like to H1, and the hardness is in this case is like 60, so it's pretty good. And it's it has some we can get some fingerprints on it, but it's a very nice steel. It's relatively inexpensive, holds edge pretty well, and it's I think NASA used to employ this kind of steel for some ball bearings, and of course is employed widely in the food industry because of the anti-corrosion system. I think Spyderco also has like a series that the Salt, the Caribbean, something like that, because of the properties of this steel, which is pretty cool. And then you got black linen micarta and natural canvas micarta for these scales. You got lock bar access that's a little bit there's not too much access for that. That's probably my only nitpick. And then of course you've got titanium tip-up carry only pocket clip. You get floating stainless steel backspacer. Look at that, nicely done. Look at this floating titanium pocket clip. I said nicely done. You can front flip it with your index finger, or just like or like with your thumb. Is gonna be something like that, but most likely because of the positioning it's just gonna be like an index finger kind of affair. Let's quickly check the weight of this little fella. Over here it's pretty light. This is gonna be a breeze to carry. Look at that, 2.02 ounces in the pocket. Very subdued sound, almost inaudible. It's beautiful. Dook, dook. And when you open it, it's simple, it's nice, it's not too loud. It's a really cool carry. It feels also pretty good in the hand. It has a very slick design, nice full flat grind, super slicey also, and pretty thin behind the edge. But hey, if you want to know more, please check out my full length review and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned.